My name is Kim Jensen. I'm a professor at DanStem and BRIC at the University of Copenhagen. Work in my team focuses on the intestine, which is the organ that is responsible for nutrient uptake from our diet, as well as protecting us against the trillions of microbes present within our gut. We try to understand how the intestine is formed during development and is subsequently maintained throughout a long life. This is a process that depends on stem cells. We believe that if we can understand the signals that control how the stem cells behave, this will allow us to help patients suffering from chronic wound disorders, such as inflammatory bowel disease. Here we believe that we can activate the stem cells in the body, thereby facilitating repair, or potentially transferring cells that we grow in our laboratory into these patients, thereby acting as living plasters.